In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Google Calendar. Getting your time zone right is essential because it makes sure every meeting invite and reminder lines up with your local time, even when events are sent from other parts of the world. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you manage multiple accounts, glance at the profile picture or email indicator in the top right corner to confirm you're in the calendar you actually use for your events. Using a desktop browser makes this process straightforward, and any modern browser will work. Next, look to the top right corner of the calendar page and click the gear icon to open settings. A small menu will appear. Choose settings from that menu to open the full settings page. This is where you can control everything from language and region to event defaults. Once you're in settings, ensure you're on the General tab. You'll see a list of categories along the left side. Under General, find the section labeled Time Zone. If you don't spot it right away, use the search bar at the top of the settings page and type time zone to jump directly to it. This is the central place where calendar anchors your schedule to the correct location and time offset. Now choose your correct time zone from the drop-down menu. You can usually select it by city or region, which helps avoid confusion during daylight saving time. The moment you pick the right one, Google Calendar uses that selection to automatically adjust existing and future events to display at the correct local time. This is especially helpful when you receive invitations from colleagues or friends in different countries, because Calendar translates those times into your chosen zone, keeping everything consistent and preventing accidental early or late arrivals. Finally, save your changes. If you see a save button, click it to apply the new time zone. In some layouts, changes are applied automatically, but clicking save when available removes any doubt. After that, you can close the settings page and return to your calendar view. Give it a moment to update and then glance at your next event to confirm the time looks right. If something seems off, recheck that you selected the correct city or region. That's it. You've successfully updated your time zone in Google Calendar, ensuring every event displays in your local time going forward. This small adjustment helps you stay on schedule, avoid mix-ups, and keep your day running smoothly no matter where your invitations come from.